Anyway, Mac, I'm going to explain how to get 20 gears out of a 14-speed M-Drive Extra Heavy Duty with my gear ratios in it. And I've already gotten two different sets of 14-speed ratios with two different other shift patterns. But now we're going to get 20 gears out of it, and we'll trim two to make it an 18-speed with super usable gears like he's always wanted, so we can rival Kenworth. Here we go. So that gearbox again, all right. There we go. So here's the, so we'll calculate it. So we go creeper plus second plus reverse low range. So we go creeper, which is 5 to 1, plus second, which is 1.5 to 1. So that's 6.5 to 1, plus, correction. Sorry, yeah, 6.5 to 1, and plus reverse, which is actually reverse actually drives from the bottom up and just makes the shaft spin backwards. So that's actually 5 to 1. So that's 11.5 to 1. And this just drives straight through 5 to 1. So that's 16.5 to 1. So that's first gear, 16.5 to 1. All right. Now we'll do creeper plus second plus first high range. So creeper 5 to 1 plus second 6.5 to 1 plus first. So we've got to take off, which is in reverse. So we've got to take off 2. So that's 6.5 to 1 minus 2 is 4.5 to 1. So that's your 4.5 to 1, second gear. Now they're all out of order at the moment. Then we'll go third gear, creeper plus first high range. So we go creeper, which is 5 to 1, plus first, which is 2 to 1, high range, which is just 1 to 1. So that's 7 to 1. All right, so that's 7 to 1. And then we go creeper, third, reverse low range. So we go creeper, which is 5, reverse, what did I say? Sorry. Creeper, third. Creeper, third, reverse low range. So we go creeper, which is 5, and third. So that's minus 2 because it's in reverse. And so that's 3 to 1. And reverse, 5 to 1. And low range, 5 to 1. So that's 13 to 1. So that's 13 to 1. And then we're on fifth gear. We go creeper, third, first high range. So we go creeper, 5 to 1, first. Correction. We go creeper, third. So that's minus. So creeper, third. That's minus 2. So that's 3. First. So that's first. So that's minus 2, and then high range. So that's 1 to 1 direct. So that's 1 to 1 direct. All right. And now we're on sixth gear, creeper, second high range. So we go creeper, 5, second. That's going the right direction. Reduction. So that's 6.5 to 1, high range. So that's 6.5 to 1. And then we go seventh gear, creeper, fourth, reverse low range. So we go creeper, 5, fourth, up that way. It's 22% underdrive. So it's a reduction. So that'd be 5 plus 1.22. So that's 6.22. Hang on. Sorry. That's 5 plus a reduction of 0.22. So that'd be plus 22. So 5 plus 22. That's 5 plus 22. Reverse low range. So that's 5 plus 22. Reverse 5 to 1 and low range 5 to 1. So that's 15.22. So that's 15.22. And then we go, what are we up to now? Hang on, what are we up to? 15, 2, 2. So that's 7th. So now we're doing 8th. So creeper, 4th, first high range. So we go creeper, 5th, 5, and 4th. So that's plus 2, 2. So that's 5.22. First high range. So first, 5.22 minus 2 is 3.22. High range, that's 3.22. So there it is, 8, 3.22. And then we go 9th, creeper, plus 4th and second high range. So we go creeper, which is 5, plus 4th, 5 plus 2, 2. Hang on, where is it? Creeper. Hang on, where is it? What are we up to now? We're up to, that was, what was I up to? Hang on. What gear did we get up to? Creeper plus 4th. Hang on, what are we up to now? I forgot. I meant to black. Hang on. Yeah, we're still on creeper. So creeper. So we'll do it again. So creeper plus 4th, second high range. So we're doing 9th. So creeper. So that's 5th plus 4th, 5.22 plus second. That's minus 1.5. So 1.55 minus 4. So 1.55 minus 5.22. Because it's in reverse. See that's overdrive of 1.5. So 5.2. So that's a reduction there. 5, and then it's that's a reduction there. So 5.22, because that's 20% overdrive. When it goes down this way, it's 20% overdrive. When it goes up this way, it's 22% reduction. So that's 5.22, and since this is an overdrive going in reverse, it's minus 1.5. So 5.22 minus 1.5. So that's 4.22. 4.2. What's that? 4.2. 4. Hang on, what's that? So that's 5.22 minus 1.5. Hang on, what was it? Second for creeper, 4th, second creeper, 5.22. 5 plus 5.22 minus 1.5. So that's 4 minus 2.7. So that's 3.7. Yeah, 3.73. I'll put down 3.72, but it's actually 3.73. But we won't hold that against me. So that's 9th gear. And 10th gear is second reverse low range. So second, that's so since it's going down from there, it's minus 1.5 reverse low range. So that's reverse low range is 10. So minus 1.5, so that's 8.5. So that's your 8.5 there. And now we're on 11th gear, so that's third reverse low range. So this is going in the right direction now, third. So it's a reduction of actually 2 to 1. Third reverse low range. So that's 12 to 1, 11th gear. And what are we up to? 12th gear, 4th reverse low range. So that's 4th. So that's 20% overdrive. So that's minus 2 reverse low range. So that's 9.78. So that's 9.78. And 13th is creeper, third high range. So creeper, 5, and third. So that's in reverse. So that's minus 2. That's 3 high range. That's 3 to 1. So that's 3 to 1. 14th is a creeper, 4th high range. That's creeper, 5, 4th high range. That's 5.22 high range. So that's 5.22. 15th is a second first high range. So that's second. That's 1.5 minus hang on, what is it? 15th is second, first high range. So second, second is 1.5 minus, as you see there, 2 to 1 reduction. So that's 1.5 to 1 overdrive, and that's 2 reduction. So that leaves 0.5. So that's 1.5 to 1 reduction there. And then 16th gear, third, first high range. So third is now 2 to 1 reduction, and first 2 to 1 high range. That's 4 to 1 reduction. So that's 4 to 1 reduction. 17th is our fourth first high range. So fourth, 22% overdrive. Hang on. First, 2 to 1. So that's 22 minus 2 is 178. So that's 178. And 18th gear is our fourth second high range. So that's fourth, fourth, 20% overdrive. And second, so that's our fourth, 20% overdrive plus second, which is 1.5. So 22 plus 1.5 is 172 high range. So that's, hang on. Fourth, second high range. So hang on. Fourth, 22. Second. So fourth, 22, overdrive, second, high range, so that's actually 128, so that's 22 minus 1.5, so that's 128, and then 19th, shaft lock all gears, so just all in neutral, alright, and high range engaged, so just basically straight shaft straight through the box, and that's direct drive. And 20th gear is fourth and third high range. So fourth gear, 20% overdrive, and this cancels out here because this is 1-to-1 direct when it drives this way, because this turns that twice as much to make it go the same speed as this. So it's 1-to-1 direct there. So that's actually 20% overdrive in high range, and there you go. So basically, you use now. I'm a bit skeptical about reverse. The only thing, reverse. Reverse I think is done down the base, but all it does is make it spin backwards by adding a third gear. The power doesn't go down and up and out. It just makes the shaft spin backwards. The power actually goes up there and out and so on. But while this gear is making it spin backwards, so to make it drive forwards, you've got to have reverse engaged, and when you're in low range, to make it drive forwards, you've got to have reverse engaged as well as low range, and your gear. And in high range, to make it go forward, in high range to make it go in reverse, you just have reverse engaged in the main case, and high range plus your gear. So in high range reverse gear, you just have second gear reverse to make it go backwards, high range, which is direct. And in low range to make it go backwards, you just have low range engaged, and low split, and then first gear, and then it'll go backwards. To make it go forwards in low range, you engage reverse gear while engaging low range, and then pick a gear in your gearbox and goes forwards. So yeah. So only one thing I'm skeptical about reverse, So it shouldn't matter, but if it does, like with the power, it actually doesn't. So all reverse does is make it spin in reverse. But if it didn't matter, you'd have to subtract 5 from the equation there. So anyway, that's the real gearbox. So that gearbox, all right, and that shift pattern, all right, and it equals them ratios, all right. And now I'll go hang on. What is it? So, which one is it? That shift pattern, alright, and that gearbox equals these ratios, 14 gears. Alright. And where's the other shift pattern? So I've got to, so anyway, so I've got one more, so I've got to find it, so it's not there, it's not there. So I think this shift pattern and that gearbox equals hang on. These ratios. So there you go. What do you think, Mac? So hopefully reverse, it doesn't subtract like I suspect it could. I don't think it does. I think all it does is it doesn't matter about reverse. It just makes the shaft spin backwards. But it's also a reduction. So anyway, there you go, mate. Merry Christmas.